Oloma, you mean Jovita, Goboeze's daughter, stopped the two of you and asked you to kneel down?
Yes, mom. She said that we did not greet her.
She even said that, don't we know that she is the princess of this kingdom?
One, princess.
Princess. I don't know.
Marachero, when all these things were happening, what did you two do?
We did not do anything, no. We just ran away because she wanted to beat us.
Yes. Come on, before our time.
Before your time? Before your time? Get your boy. I said you should cook him before I come to knock the lights out of you. Come on, get your boy. Why should you give her her own? Come on. So the two of you just stood there and watch her humiliate you like that. Shut up, man! You could not pour her water or even carry her to run around the bush. You can't give my hand. Come on, go inside. If it's to finish my food, you open your mouth and finish it. Obwese. So she has decided to extend this enmity to my own children, my family. Mbano, I wanted to tell my husband to quit. Let's stop this whole fight. And if we you see this fight, we will fight it to the finish. We will fight it till the end. Where are these children? The two of you just stood there. Pascal, the fact that you're not saying anything is what is getting me angry. So everything I've been saying here now, I've been speaking Bangladesh. No, how do you expect me to keep quiet when Ugoboeza has decided to make my life a living hell in this kingdom? And you want me to be quiet? I would not take it though. Nam, I would not take it. She has been using her husband's money to brag, to raise her shoulder. That her same husband, does he have two heads? Or one head, coach? The same one head that you have. Can't you make the money that she's making? Pascal, I am saying this and I am saying it again. Wait for this kingship. You must campaign for it. And you must win it. And I must become the law of this kingdom. Yeah, when I become the law, she would know that I have landed. I'm telling you. This woman splashed water on me. Courtesy demanded that she was supposed to come down from her car and apologize to me. She came down from that matchbox she calls her machine, majestically, and rained abuses on me. Even her daughter, that one that looks like a expired Chinese geisha, now parades herself as the princess of this kingdom, and even asked my children to kneel down today. What an insult! And you expect me to be quiet? Nah, I can go about. When we die here by fire by force, you must become the king and I will become the queen.
What I want to tell you is that the election is in 5 months from now. So I don't know all the things you're saying, I don't know the magic you want me to do to sponsor this campaign. To fight Mbamalu, Chief Mbamalu, who is already a millionaire. And he has already bought everyone over for this campaign. You understand?
I understand.
Amaromu Odu magic. I don't know how you want me to do the magic. So to fight this thing.
You are still speaking in Ikanasurumo. Ijire going as Yibu. Carry dada for head. You can now go and shave this thing so you can start thinking. You are telling me you don't know what to do.
What do I do?
Your mates that are making money out there, don't you know what they do? Go and meet your friends. Now borrow money. Tell them to put you in businesses that will make you, fetch good money. You don't know what they do. You are even balancing, spreading like malaria on this bed.
It's my bed.
And making mouths.
It's my bed.
It's which bed? Your bed.
And all those my friends.
Go out there and ask them to give you money so that you can campaign for this thing.
All those my friends you're talking about, do you know what they do to get money?
What do they do?
Do you know what they do to make money?
What they do they do it with 10 heads? Or one head Kajemia? Why can't you do it? I'm asking you, why can't you do it? Do what they do and make the money. And now say me you don't know what they do and you are spreading here.
It's okay. I've heard you. I will sleep over it.
No, don't hear me. Don't hear me. You want to sleep over it. Your mates are out there making money. You are still here sleeping. Balance like a Balenciaga on the bed. Nah, see me. You want to sleep over it. Your mates, poverty, people who are poverty stricken, they don't think. They act very fast.
My bed.
Now see, which bed? Look, in a pussy. In your 6 by where rat has eaten the other side of the bed. If I jiki that will come 4 by 6. 6 by 6 I will go. Because she's let me sleep.
I'm like Madi chop. I go campaign now. This is the main campaign that I want.
Come on, remove your leg.
Stop.
Now, the money that you've paid, you've eaten it under 1 year. How much did you pay? 250. You have eaten it over. After you got married to me, the first 2 months, you have eaten 250 away from me.
My dear, if I cannot pay for your campaign, if I cannot sponsor for that campaign, at least I've sponsored something.
Sponsored what? 200. If not, come, let me alone.
At least I pay for something.
Pascal, my guy. So very soon you become the Igwe of your community. I'm happy for you, bro.
I am not sure I'm going to take that position, bro.
Why?
My brother, money. I need money. First of all, this drink you brought here is not my problem. Yeah? I don't even mind selling this drink and put the money in my pocket and use it for my campaign. So what I'm trying to say is this. The man I'm contesting with is a multi-millionaire. I don't even know where to start. I don't have the capacity to stand him. I don't know what to do. This man, Chifumba Amalo, and the wife, they've really insulted my wife and I. There's no kind of humiliation, there's no kind of insult, and no kind of stupid talk that we've not gotten from them. All because of we don't have money. You know? And I remember that I have a friend like you. Jeku, my friend. Jeku, the multi-millionaire that can help me. He said to come to you to explain all these things to you because I believe in my heart that you're going to help me. Oh. If I win this now, become the Igwe. Jeku, you can imagine. I need to show these people now. I need to tell them that I've arrived. I need to step up my status.
From the look of things, the money you need is not small money. You need bullion van, like huge amount of money for this.
You're saying the truth. You're saying the truth.
Well, like your campaign, how long is it going to last from the day of voting?
The campaign is like 4 months from now.
4 months?
Yes.
4 months is near. 4 months is near, very, very close. Well, I will see what I can do for you. I'm going to put you through that. The kind of money you will have. When you enter that village, you're going to turn that village upside down.
You make me to turn my village upside down.
Trust me.
Hi.
Trust Jeku.
Wait. Are you joking? Or are you just saying it to entice me?
Pascal, I am not joking. I am for real here. Huh?
Hey.
But it depends on you. That's if you're going to do what you'll be asked to do.
Jeku, as you see me so, I am ready to do anything. If you want me to sleep inside the gutter for you, I will sleep there. If you want me to walk with my head, I'm ready to do it. If you want me to wear pants and be dancing on the road for me to get that money, I will do it. Because I need to prove to my wife now. I need to prove something to my wife. I need my status to change. I need to enter that community and scatter everywhere. And Chifumba Amalu will know that I've arrived.
Don't worry. Don't worry yourself, Don't worry. I love your courage. I'm going to help you. So that Chifumba Amalu and the wife, when they see you and your wife, they're going to run and enter bush. Don't worry yourself.
Jeku, my friend.
Pascal.
I am happy now. I'm happy now.
Open the drink. Let's drink.
Now I can drink.
Pascal.
My name is Onny, the chief priest of Ajala Kingdom, Igwe State. where every impossibility becomes possible. Jebu,
Odogu, Onyema, Ajala, Ikarika. Your son is loyal.
who is this man?
His name is Pascal Ihanacho.
Pascal Ihanacho. Sir, you are welcome to my shrine. This is Ajala Kingdom, where everything is possible and you say goodbye to poverty once and for all. Jebu,
Odogu, Onyema.
have you told your friend what it takes to be a complete man?
That's why I brought him to you, for you to do for him what you did for me and others. And he's ready.
Pascal Ihanacho. Sir, can you step over here? On top of this place covered with red cloth. Take it. Take it, I think.
How about you, Uju?
Pascal,
Sir,
this coffin you are holding is your covenant between Ajala deity and you, as it is to anybody from the Ajala kingdom. Now open it. Put your hands inside. Whatever you feel, you bring it out. And make sure you don't look into the coffin.
I should open it.
Do not look inside the coffin.
Okay.
What do you see there?
It's a ring.
Swallow it.
Eh?
Swallow the ring.
Swallow it now.
Hey.
Ihe nwoke mee kpata ego adịrị izi. Okwu ego. Swallow it.
Swallow the ring.
Hey, God.
Hey! Hey!
Hey. Hey.
Now repeat after me. I, Pascal Ihanacho,
I. Hey. Hey. Okay. I, Pascal Ihanacho,
belong to Ajala deity.
I belong to Ajala deity.
Any day I go contrary to the rules and regulations of the Ajala deity,
Any day I go contrary to the rules and regulations of our general deity.
May you be buried in that coffin.
Yeah?
May you be buried in that coffin.
Okay, yeah, I'm my size. This is not my size now. And I'm not ready to die.
Your friend is not serious.
If you want to but they got easy. Okay.
May you be buried in this.
May you, I say, be buried in that coffin.
Okay. May I be buried in that coffin?
You may now sit.
Should I take it?
Pascal Ihanacho,
So,
you have 2 kids, a boy and a girl.
yes, sir. But how did you know? Hey! These are my kids. Yeah, is it in projector here? How?
Ajala demands that you sacrifice one of your kids before you start enjoying your money.
God forbid! I cannot do that. I cannot kill any of my kids.
Pascal Ihanacho, you will sacrifice one of your kids or you die. 1 week. 1 week, I say.
You have to try it.
JJ boy. Hey. J boy. Hey. So, I'm Nawazi.
You may go.
Hi. This world is wicked. This world is wicked. And some people are very wicked. And that man is very wicked. How could he ask me to bring one of my child? For rituals? Just because I want to make money? Jeku, my friend, how could you? How could you take me to such a place? Because I want to make money. And you know you can help me. You took me to a coven just to kill my child. Jeku, you've made money. Jeku, you've made money. You can help me if you want to. Yeah? I know you can give me as much as plenty dollar that you can. Jeku, you took me to a shrine. Why is it that men find it difficult to help their fellow men? Why? Why? Hey! Who knows how many souls they must have wasted in that shrine? Oh, God. Hey!
Pascal, you're back.
Yes, I'm back. Oh.
Now you scared me. I have been calling you, you're not taking your calls. You did not even call me, you didn't reach me. I've been so worried. What happened? How did it go?
Bridget, please just allow me. Just leave me alone. Let me be. Okay? I'm not in the mood to say anything now. You've actually gotten what you wanted.
Yeah. What has clapping got to do with this one? I just came here to ask you how your journey went, if everything went fine, and you're getting angry. What did I do wrong? Jimmy! Mwa! Now, you will tell me what is going on. What is going on? What is this silence for? Eh? Since you came back, you have refused to talk to me. You have refused to speak to your children. You haven't said anything. And the next thing that came out from your mouth was, I hope you have gotten what you wanted. What did I get? Eh? You don't got to do some or you start staring into thin space. What is going on?
There's a problem.
Problem what?
A very big problem.
What is it?
And because of that, I am going to quit this whole thing. About Chifumba Malu, they can go ahead and humiliate, insult, and do whatever they want to do to us for all I care. You're the cause of all these problems.
Pascal, if you say one more word, that's a bag this slap. Now, if I give you backhand, we turn around here like Baba's chair. You will turn 360. You're quitting what? No, what exactly are you quitting? And what is the meaning of that nonsense you said? You are going to leave this fight for Chifumba Malu and the wife to take over. Makakinekwan. No, I'm asking you for what exactly? Your friends that you went to see in the city, so none of them could borrow you money or even connect you to businesses that will bring us so that we can fight Chifumba Malu and the wife. What do you mean you want to quit? Nam, have a rethink. Sit down and think again. You did not quit poverty in your life. You did not quit any other thing in your life. You want to quit a fight that will fetch us affluence. Now, have sense.
You don't want me to quit, eh?
What are you quitting?
You don't want me to quit?
Quit what?
Now listen, let me shock you.
Shock observer. Ngwanu, shock, let me hear.
I went to see my multi-millionaire friend. Jeku. When I got there, I met with Jeku. And he explained my predicaments to Jeku. He pitied me and promised to help me. I was very happy. I was very happy. Only for Jeku.
Take you to where?
Jeku took me to a shrine where they do blood money.
Chimo. It's a guinea. Blood guinea. Ritual.
When I got there, not only that, when I got there, I saw the chief priest. The chief priest is just me, Jeku, and the chief priest. He brought us something and said that I should take an oath.
No, me take the oath.
Yes. After taking the oath, not knowing the implication of what I'm about to do, I took the oath. And after that, chief priest did some incantations. And do you know what happened?
What?
You know what happened? Hey.
Hey. Did they give you money?
My children appeared. They no longer appeared in the shrine.
If you have no in my room, appeared here. They've been inside the room. My own children appeared in the shrine.
The chief priest has the court and asked me to decide on the person I'm going to use for the ritual.
Jesus.
So I can win Chief Mbamalo and defeat him with his money and win the whole thing.
Nam, what is this society turning into?
Ife and Oloma
I said put your hand down, no. My children are inside the room. That appeared in the shrine. Chiri will come chicken again. You mean the rich men? I mean all the rich men we see in this society. They actually do things like this to get to where they are.
I don't know. They're in the position to answer that question. I don't know.
Ifema, I'm not even asking you. What do we do? Ask her. What do we do?
About what?
This is weight of money. What money can do? If you don't like them, go and make money. Na money they talk. Sure you don't see them. Onye jigo no nyake hu ganesu. It's not my fault, Makechi mego. If you get money, if you don't get it, run away. If you get money, if you don't get it, run away. If you get money, if you don't get it, run away. If you get money, if you don't get it, run away. What money can do is plenty. Money buys everything. Yeah. Money they buy conscience, yeah. You don't see a money don't buy determination. Buy the conscience, yeah. Buy everything. Sure you don't see them. Je chubakwego, onye diogo, when one day. Je butela nyego. Makumu wanyige ficharu. Arifachoro mwocha. Onye diogo, when one day. By then they will vote for you. If you get money, give them now. Arifachoro mwocha. By then you don't buy their conscience. By then they will vote for you. This is weight of money. What money can do? Power of money, yeah. Lega baligongwa. Power of money, yeah. Lega baligongwa. If you get money, if you not.
Pascal, I want us to talk.
What is it?
I want us to talk about that place you said your friend took you to in the city.
And what about it?
It's not like what I want to say is coming from my mind. But I thought about it all through the night. Pascal, look at us. Do you like the way we are living? Pascal, we are suffering. Even to pay the children's school fee, you want to look at what you are doing. It's only people with poverty minds that will do what you are doing. It's not just for your shoe to shine. Let our life shine as well. You look at your mates out there. They are busy making money. Living lavish lifestyle. Chopping their money as soon as they print it. Look at what Chief Mbamanu and the wife is doing to us. Humiliating us up and down. And you want us to keep quiet. Now listen. Let's make use of this opportunity and hit the money now that we have the opportunity.
How do you mean? What opportunity are you talking about?
Let's speak in Spanish. Okay. I want you to think about what that man told you yesterday. I mean the chief priest.
Bridget? Are you alright? Are you actually with your senses? Do you know what you're talking about?
No, my senses are in that. I know what I'm saying. Pascal, listen, calm down. See, let me tell you. There are other families that don't even have children at all. And they are living happily. There are some that gave birth to plenty children. They all died. Now they live without kids. Use one of these children.
I'll see you when I come back.
Oh, sit down. No. Sit down. I'm saying something that is important. You're telling me you'll see me when you come. Use your brain now. Can't you see that this is a good opportunity for us to use and use it wisely?
Bridget, can you allow me to go where I'm going to?
All the while that you have been going out to go and look for anything to do, what do you come back with?
Do you know exactly what you're talking about?
Now I know what I am talking about. That is why I'm trying to help you.
But Bridget, do you know what you're pushing me to do?
I am not pushing you.
To kill one of our child.
It is not killing. It is sacrificing.
To kill one of our children.
Nam, Jesus Christ died for us on the cross. He sacrificed himself so that we can be happy. Let us sacrifice one of our children.
Bridget, because of your selfish interest, you want us to kill one of our children?
We are not killing. I said sacrifice. They are two different things. You make sacrifices too so that another person can be happy. That is exactly what we want to do.
I don't think you're alright.
Now, Maya, you have never made any right decision in your life. The only decision you have made in this your life is your decision to marry me. A good wife. And remember what Baba said, oh. Remember what he said. If you don't do it, you will lose your life. And if you die, I am still very kajad. Other men will come and take me and eat me. You will be under the ground. Flies and everything will be eating, reptiles. They will be eating you. I know what I'm saying. I am tired of this life. Look at me. Bridging 80. Just look at what I have become. Because I decided to marry you. And now God has decided to bless us with this very rare.
Can you just keep quiet? Let me think.
Okay, Nambo, think.
Just shut up. Let me think, please.
Shut up. Oh no, shut up. Oh, no, just think. Eh? Are you done thinking? Just think about what I said. Okay, sorry. Think, Ichago. Ndo. But think fast now. Eh? Pascal.
Which of them do we use?
I don't think we should just pick anyone. So that the other one spirit will not be angry with us.
How do you mean?
It's here. Let nature take place. Hmm? Pick one. Pick. Pascal, pick now. Don't make this.
You go ahead and pick.
Pick it.
Yes. You brought the idea, so open it. Pick.
I picked this one. Open now. Open, let's see now. Eh? I'm making things too hard.
Open it.
Yeah. Open the what? Now I pick now. You open now.
You started it. Just open it.
I say when this money come, you will not eat it. Hey! Shimo. Oh. Shimo.
Hey. Bridget, you've killed me. You've killed me.
Whatever you sow, you must reap. No wicked that go unpunished in this life. No wicked shall go unpunished.
My children.
Yes, Dad.
As you can see, the holiday is over. So what's the next thing? Back to the city.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Or do you want to stay more?
Yes.
Oh, you're going to school.
You're right.
It's okay. I want to tell you something.
Okay.
See, your daddy is a very hard-working man.
Yes, it's true.
So I'll continue working hard to see that I train you to the highest level, wherever you want to be in this life. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
But I want you to always concentrate on your studies. So I want you to be the best of what you do. You know, taking first position in the class and every other places. Both of you and your mom are all I have in this world, though. No other person. So if you people decide to disappoint me,
Oh, Daddy, we can't disappoint you.
Daddy, you are the number one in this whole world. The most handsome.
Yes.
Awesome.
Yes.
Good. Wonderful. And another awesome.
Yes. Another awesome. Very wonderful.
wow, in fact, you scattered my head. You're going to drink 2 bottles now.
Thank you.
Okay.
Me, Daddy, when I grow up and I get married, even though I'm living abroad, you and mommy, you and mommy, will come over there and visit me. Anything you want, take it. If it's mansion, take it. If it's car, take it. When I grow up, I will make you proud.
Wow. And when we come there, we'll say, who is here? We've landed. You now say, it's mommy and daddy.
And Dad, I will make sure that if I have money, you and Mom will not lack anything in life.
Hi.
Anything you want, Jakam. If you want biscuits, Bakam. If you want car, Jakam. If you want money, Jakam. Auntie, join me. I'll drink wine, drink everything.
In fact, give me a hug.
Hey, Daddy, please, just try and eat your food so you can take your drugs, please. Try, You know you don't have appetite, just try, please,
Hey.
Daddy, be cool now, please. Who is this boy with the drug? Daddy, please now, try and eat, please. Hey, God, please don't come back here. Daddy, please, try and eat, try and eat. Daddy, please now. Please for us. Your help is important. Please for us.
Mommy will soon be back.
I'm sure she's on her way now.
If you eat this food now, at least you have a little strength. Please now.
Hey, you said for me.
Daddy, do it for us. Yes.
Hey.
Daddy now.
Daddy, please now. Hey. Daddy, you are scaring me.
Because you know.
Daddy, please now. Daddy, you don't have appetite. Just try so something will be in your tummy. So you take medicine, please.
You take your medicine.
Oh my God. Should I do this? How will I handle this? What will I tell my son if it would have happened to his sister? Bridget, see what you're putting me into. If anything goes wrong, both of us will suffer it together. I promise you that.
Don't worry, he's coming.
Daddy, welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
Pastor.
How are you? You're welcome. Thank you, my dear.
Ma'am,
Thank you.
it's been almost 30 minutes you asked us to sit down here and wait for you. What happened?
Yeah, I'm here now. I'm sorry about the delay.
Okay. So you said you wanted to talk to us. What is it?
I have good news for everyone.
Good news. Daddy, please tell us the good news.
I can't wait to hear the good news. Okay?
Keep quiet so that he can talk. That is why he's here. Yeah.
Okay, Mom.
Okay. There's this my friend. He's based in America.
Okay.
And right now he's back to Nigeria. We went to school together. He's my best friend.
Okay.
So he called me on the phone to come see him. That was why I traveled to the city. So when I got there, we engaged in some discussion, very deep discussion, which I opened up to him and told him everything what I've been passing through. I didn't hide anything because he's my friend. So he said that he's going to help me. I asked him how do you want to help me? He said that he's going to take one of my children to America.
Asi.
Yes.
Hey! It's in line.
That he wants to help me train the person in school.
Yes.
So within me, so I decided that Uluma will go to America.
Hey, try. Daddy, are you serious? Are you sure? Hey, Daddy, you mean my sister is going to America?
You just heard him.
They'll be leaving by next week.
My sister, the American girl. Yes. Let's go and start packing our things. Oh yeah. Let's go. Daddy.
No weekend, the go unpunished. In this life, no weekend shall go unpunished. Speak louder than voice. You want power just for your selfish interest. You have gotten what you want. You have gotten what you needed.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
How is your daughter and
Nah, they are fine. They are doing well. Hey, my son-in-law surprised me. My son-in-law and my daughter. If you They gave me 100,000.
Hey! 100,000.
100,000 to buy bag of rice. Go to Apancha. Apanu. So many things. So come in the evening to collect your own share.
Hey! I will come in the evening.
Come in the evening because
I
don't know. Did you see my daughter?
Yes, I saw her in the morning when I went to check on her.
I'm on the road,
But there is a little problem. Please, you have to take it easy with her.
Is she okay?
She's okay. Just that she's pregnant.
Go! Take it easy with her. No, go, Nico. Chika! So it's true. Chika! Turn and face me. So what I heard is true. What, Chika? I said turn and face me. Chika! Hey! Chika! 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 Can you beg it? Chika! So after all my sufferings, Chika, you want to bury me with an unwanted pregnancy? Chika! I'm from Nida! Chika, I'm from Nida! Hey! What am I living for? What am I living for? Chika! Just these few months I traveled. Chika! I'm sleeping with every... Hey, Chika, all the one. Chika! Chika! Hey!
Mama, please. Mama, tell me, man.
Mama, I'm sorry, please.
Chika! 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 Biko! Are you pregnant? Can you do this to Chika? I should forgive you. I should forgive you. This is what you want to pay me with. After all my sufferings, you are putting that answer. Chika was in my car. Chika!
Mr. Okoli, you're welcome. Like I said, your wife is okay. She's fine.
Okay. Thank you.
But we are having just a little problem. You understand? Your wife cannot deliver normally. She has to go through CS.
CS?
Yes, as an operation. And we need to deposit the sum of 50,000 naira so we can be able to start immediately. You understand? Please, you have to make it fast. Okay?
50,000?
Yes.
50,000. Doctor, is that all?
Mr. Kuro, for now, yes.
I have 20,000 naira here with me. I have to rush home and complete the money.
Okay, if you say so.
Okay.
Please, make sure you come back and please. Okay?
I will.
Thank you. Remember, the earlier, the better. Okay?
Doctor, why are you talking like this? She's my wife and I can do anything to save her life. Besides, this is her first pregnancy.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's alright. No problem.
Thank you very much.
I'll be waiting.
I have to rush, please.
It's alright.
Thank you very much.
Please be fast, eh?
Thank you, doctor.
God be with you. Nelson Keshi. Please come.
Nurse, my friend is here. My son Okolo. He came with his wife here.
Calm down. Your friend is with the doctor. Calm down.
The doctor says she has to go through operation before she could deliver. Mama, I want to go to the house and get the money for deposit. Mama, I have to rush.
No problem. Rush. That's it. Nothing will happen to her.
Mama.
I'll be here waiting for her.
Okay, all right.
Okay, Mama. Can I see the doctor?
Calm down. Calm down. Just relax. Just stop it.
Hey, nurse, let me go see the doctor.
No, ma. You don't have to go in. Sit back. The doctor will attend to you.
Calm. But nurse, how is my son's wife? Is she okay?
Ma, be calm. The doctor will attend to you.
Quán cho phòng ra. Chế ta định ngoài. Okoro, how far now? Is everything alright?
This one Okoro is not even asking our greetings. Are you sure everything is okay?
Something is wrong somewhere.
Maybe something is wrong.
Something is wrong.
Something is
pursuing him like this.
He knows better. So as I was telling you, see, I want to enter that girl. Are you getting what I'm saying now?
Yes,
$50,000 for the deposit. While I keep this one for my wife Samugo. I can't wait to see my baby.
Calm down now. Just be calm.
I'm calming down already. What happened? Talk now. What is it?
Ma, you just have to calm down.
I'm already.
Everything is fine.
Mute cat. Is it? No. Is it? Mute cat. Hey! Oh my God. Hey! 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 Oh! Hey!
going on? How are you? How are you? You're not feeling fine. What's wrong with you?
Don't mind her. She's already missing us.
You're sure you're feeling some type of way? Anyway, I bought you something to lighten your mood. Things you will like. Something that will raise up your spirits. Just don't worry. By the time you see these things I bought for you now, you will start feeling better. Ne? Hey. Ta-da! Ice cream. Juice. Apple. Don't worry, you will like it. There are lots of other things in the bag. You will feel better.
No, I can see. Please, Mama, Mommy, what is all this? I didn't ask for it. In fact, I'm not eating it. I'm not hungry, please.
Hey, come on, eat something. Eat something, please. Do you know how much your mommy spent in buying all these things?
I know. But I don't like the way people have been lavishing money on me these days. Besides, you people